There are many ways to make money online, and the opportunities are only limited by your creativity and hard work. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Sell products or services. Whether you have a physical product to sell or a skill to offer, you can use the internet to reach a global audience. Consider setting up an e-commerce store or offering freelance services through websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This can be a great way to share your knowledge with others and earn passive income. Affiliate marketing. If you have a website or social media following, you can earn money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. Look for affiliate programs through companies like Amazon or Commission Junction. Blogging. If you enjoy writing and have a passion for a particular topic, consider starting a blog and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Create and sell digital products. If you have a talent for design or other creative pursuits, you can create and sell digital products such as printables, ebooks, and stock photos. No matter what method you choose, making money online requires dedication and hard work. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling way to earn an income. Create and sell digital products.